This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can count the number of items within a column in Google Sheets without using a formula. In the past, when I've had a spreadsheet similar to this and I wanted to know, for example, with hobbies, how many people selected reading, how many people selected hiking, and so forth, I would use these formulas like count if, or I would create a filter and then sort them and then manually count the number of each item that appears. But what if you did not have to do that? In Google Sheets, you can actually use a data tool called column stats to see how many items appear within a column. You get there by selecting data, then selecting column stats. When you do that, this box will appear on the right where you can scroll through the columns by clicking back and forth on these arrows, or you can click on the columns themselves. And notice when I click on the column that describes hobbies, it shows you the frequency with which the items appear. Now, I only have 5 items repeating in this table, and if you had more than 5 items, you could click least. So here it's showing you the items that appeared the most, and here it's showing you in the order that they appeared the least. When you do that, you can see that 10 people selected cooking as their hobby, 9 people selected reading as their hobby, etc. The information changes when you click on other rows, and if you don't have a lot of data to deal with, this can actually be more quick than using fancy formulas like count if. So if you need a quick way of counting the number of repeated items within a column in Google Sheets, you can get there by selecting data, then column stats. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.